There is such an intense debate about who feeds the world. There is one myth that without the Green Revolution, India wouldn't have been fed. But the Green Revolution was only rice and wheat, and it transformed biodiverse systems with very high productivity into monocultures of rice, monocultures of wheat pumped with high doses of chemicals, 10 times more water. Today, our water has disappeared, our soils are polluted, a cancer train leaves Punjab because the toxics and pesticides have created a cancer epidemic. The reality of who feeds the world is the biodiversity that we are growing here at Navdanya. These amazing millets, the forgotten foods that have disappeared from our fields and from our tables. The diversity of crops grown in cooperation. The amazing intensification of biodiversity where the beans grow with the cereals, where millets that produce 40 times more nutrition and use next to no water give us food security in the worst of times. But because we've had an arrogance and a racism, assuming that only globally traded commodities are food, and a racism that treats everything dark as inferior, we've driven out healthy food, we've driven out biodiversity, and we've replaced it with monocultures and industrial foods and industrial agriculture. Industrial agriculture accounts for only 28% of the world's food production. It is using up 75% of the world's resources. This is a highly inefficient system. If they were to reach 100% of the resources and destroy our soil, destroy our water, destroy the biodiversity and mess up the climate, they could at best get to about 40% food supply, but with a collapse of the entire ecological base that gets food to us. We are made repeatedly to believe that replacing monocultures of rice and wheat with monocultures of corn and soya that are genetically modified is feeding the world. Only 10% of corn and soya that is grown worldwide is going to people's table. The rest is biofuel and animal feed. Why are we accepting a 10% myth as the basis of food security when we have eaten 8,500 species of plants? When small farmers are still 72% of the